Rise and shine, my blossoming beauties. It is I, Rosemary Thornybush, and welcome to the fourth part in my Pride Flag makeup series. So if you want to know how to get this trans flag inspired look, then just keep on watching. Okay, come through lighting change with better lighting. So first I'm going to take my primer. I'm going to put that on my face, and then just rub it all in. Next I'm going to take my foundation, and getting my beauty blender, I'm going to take that, put that on several dots of my face, and then just start patting on it to blend it all in. Next I'm going to take my concealer, and I'm going to draw on kind of over my bags, and then I'm going to put it on my eyelids as well as putting some dots on my nose, as well as some strokes on my forehead, as well as putting it on some other spots on my face to cover up freckles and all that. And then I'll get my beauty blender and blend it in. Wait, did I say that already? I don't know, I wasn't looking. I was on my phone right now, I was on recording this, and I was just looked at away from my this screen on my computer. Well anyway, now I'm going to get my setting powder, and with that fluffy brush, I'm going to dip into the what's left of my little thing, and then just swoosh all over my face in swirling motions to apply the thing. Now I'm going to go for my eyeshadow. So going to my Pure Imagination palette, I'm going to take that light blue eyeshadow and basically just apply that all over in my crease, as well as applying some of it outward of it a little bit, so it kind of creates a bit of a blend. Basically, you're just going to use that shade all over your, all over to cut your crease, and then apply a bit of extra of it outside of it, that region. Now I'm going to take my blending brush and then just use that to further fade out the blue. Now I'm going to take my Wahala palette and use that pink shade, and basically just use that all over my eyelid, as well as applying some of it to the outer corners to blend it with the blue a little bit from the outside region. Now I'm going to take my small brush and basically just apply some more light blue eyeshadow into the inner corner. Now I'm going to go back into that same pink and basically just start applying it and blending it with the blue in the inner corner, basically just covering the rest of the lid in pink. Now I'm going to go into that pink eyeshadow that's from my Pure Imagination palette and apply that to the center of my eyelid, so it kind of creates more of like dimension with the pink. Then I'm going to take that burgundy shade and just blend that to the outer sections of my eye with the pink to blend that, just to darken it a little bit. The hell. Now I'm going to go back into that metallic white shade, and basically just swipe down the middle of my eyelids with that shade so it creates the white part. Then taking my blending brush, just gonna spread it out a little bit more so it creates more of a blend. Then going into that whiter shade, I'm just gonna blend it with that. And then I'm gonna go into my layer comparison and also apply that little sparkly highlight thing on top of it as well. And here I am attempting to apply some like white eyeshadows under my eyes, but like, honestly I don't think I really did this really well, so you can kind of skip this part if you wish. Now I'm going to go into my eyeliner. So, taking my eyeliner pencil, I'm just going to underline my lower lash line with that thing. Now I'm going to go into my eyeliner pen, and using that I'm going to start by drawing the wing, and then just dragging the thing out as far as I can, and then just extend it onto my eyelid and to make the wing. And just like before, I messed up my eyeliner yet again. So yeah, just watch me fail miserably as I apply eyeliner. Now I'm going to go into my mascara. So, taking that, I'm going to press it down on my upper lash line, and then just roll out the wand for them. And then for my lower lash line, I just have it out on top of them, and then just roll them out. And here I am trying to fix up my eyeliner. Probably should have done that before doing the mascara, but I didn't think of it at the time. So, and ultimately I just ended up making it worse than it already was, so again, I apologize. Now I'm going to go back into my Pure Imagination palette, and taking that burgundy color, I'm going to use that to fill in my brows. Now I'm going to go into my my contour. So taking that brush, I'm going to apply it from the top of my earlobe, my ear, and then apply it and blend it to the bottom of, not my bottom, of my iris. Now I'm going to go into my blush, so taking that, I'm going to take my big fluffy brush, and basically just apply it on my cheeks just like that. Now I'm going to go into my highlights, so taking that and a smaller brush, I'm going to do swirling motions on the center of my nose, upward and downward strokes on the bridge of my nose, swirling motions on the apple of my cheeks, swirling motions on the center of my chin, and doing some upward and downward strokes on my forehead. For my lipstick, I'm going to be using this soft pink color. I'm going to use that to fill in my lips. Now I'm going to take my lip gloss and hello bad lighting change, and I'm going to use that lip gloss to fill in my pink lips. Just look at that lighting. so bad. Then I'll take my setting spray, and then the look will be complete. And you're done. Your transgender flag makeup tutorial is now complete. So this concludes my trans flag makeup tutorial. I'll see you when I do the next flag.